Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by gathering essentials: a personal Facebook login, a verified email or phone number, and your business details. Once done, open Business. Facebook. And click Create Account. This starts Business Manager. Make sure to enter the legal business name and your work email. Don't use a throwaway. You'll be asked for business address and phone. These create a professional layer between you and your pages. This reduces risk and centralizes access, so take a minute to confirm information is accurate before proceeding. Once inside Business Manager, you add assets, pages, ad accounts, and Instagram profiles. Click Business Settings, then Assets, and choose Add or Request Access. This distinguishes owned versus requested items. Next, go to People, invite team members with work emails, and assign roles. Admin for full control, editor to manage content, analyst for reporting. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for admins to secure access. These steps let you control permissions and billing, which matter for campaign. To finish, add a payment method and set billing thresholds so ads run without interruption. Then, check Security Center and complete business verification if prompted. Verification unlocks advanced features like e-commerce integrations. Make sure pages and ad accounts show under Accounts and that each person has correct permissions. If something goes wrong, first confirm user roles and assigned assets, then clear browser cache and try a different browser. If issues persist, contact Facebook Business Support and provide screenshots and exact error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.